Is TikTok Shop throwing a wrench in your shopping spree? Don't stress, because in this video, we're going to squash that error and get you back to browsing in no time. First, give the TikTok app a good old-fashioned restore. Close the app completely, swipe it away from your recent apps list, and then reopen it. This often clears minor glitches. Next, make sure you're running the latest version of TikTok. Head to the App Store or Google Play Store and check for any available updates. Outdated versions can be buggy. Now, let's clear the cache. Go to your TikTok profile, tap the three lines in the top right corner to access settings and privacy. Then scroll down and find the clear cache option under free up space. Tap it to clear out temporary files that might be causing trouble. A shaky internet connection can also be the culprit. Make sure you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi network, or try switching to your mobile data. You can also try resetting your router by unplugging it for 30 seconds and then plugging it back in. If none of that works, try logging out of your TikTok account and then logging back in. This can refresh your account data and resolve persistent errors. Still seeing that dreaded error message? It might be time to reach out to TikTok support. You can find the help center within the app settings. They might be able to provide more specific assistance. And that's it. With these quick fixes, you should be back to scrolling and shopping on TikTok Shop in no time. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful TikTok tips and tricks.